Okay, we're gonna go on a quick test drive. This is Exotic Motorsports of Oklahoma, and we're going to do a quick visual condition report on this G-Wagon, starting with the front clip. So the entire front end is wrapped in PPF paint protection film, and that includes this section as well, and the side mirrors. So that's doing a phenomenal job there at protecting the vehicle. I've scanned this entire side. I did not find any dings or gashes. The only thing I found really were a couple rock chips here and there, and these wheels are absolutely perfect. I don't see any curb rash on them anywhere. Nice and clean. A lot of tread left here on the tires. Like I said, full front clip PPF. Looks amazing. That includes this section here. Now the doors do not have any, but they do have the door edge protectors, and then you have the door cut protectors. So all of that looks amazing. If anything on this paint, you're going to have a couple washing swirls, and that's about it. So then this section right here is what I was talking about. It does have some rock chips kind of scattered throughout. All very minor. That wheel looks amazing, and like I said, everything else looks really, really clean. And then here on the front end, like I said, full front clip PPF. Now it has sustained some rock chips. It looks like they were before the PPF was installed, so you're going to have a few of those kind of scattered throughout the front end. And then some of these are just bubbles in the film and or just rock impacts that happened after the film was installed. They're all really minor, just little stuff here and there. I don't see any big gashes or any damage on the front end. It's just the small rock impacts and rock chips. And the same for this side. I don't see any dings or gashes or any damage of that sort. Just a few rock chips here and there. You can see some of these little rock impacts. These wheels are absolutely perfect. I don't see any curb rash on any of the wheels. Side mirror looks amazing. You're gonna see some potential chips here, some small rock impacts. All of this looks really good. And then here you're gonna see some rock impacts. A little scuff right there. And all of this looks amazing as well. I don't see any damage. Looking at the interior, it is a non-smoker and it is really, really clean. This door panel looks amazing. Heated cool seats, memory seating. You get a few tiny scuffs on the kick plate. Carpets look good. Bolsters look really nice. Very little wear on these seats. You can tell they're really, really clean. Steering wheel still has that nice matte look to it. All of this looks good. Of course, with this gloss black trim, you're going to get some really minor surface scuffs on them, but I don't see anything that's like really deep or out of the ordinary. Just everyday kind of wear and tear. Otherwise, though, this thing is super, super clean. Here on the back left door panel, we do have an indentation right here. A couple small scuffs. You see those, really minor. A little chip out of the handle there. The rest of this looks good though. Seats look amazing. Seat backs look good. Here on the passenger side, got the heated cool seats, memory seating. This panel looks really nice. A few minor scuffs on the kick plate. Carpet looks good. You have a couple wrinkles on this bolster, but otherwise very clean. And a few tiny scuffs on that piping, but very, very minor. The rest of this seat looks amazing. Glove box looks good. Grab handle's clean. Upper side of the dash over here looks really good. This side looks awesome. And then here on the back seats, the only flaw I really saw in this door panel was a scratch right here in that plastic, really minor. Kick plate area looks good. Seat backs are super clean, as well as these seats. I don't really see anything that stands out as far as imperfections go. Back in the console looks good. Very clean.